Many law firms around the world are facing margin squeeze. Costs are rising rapidly, revenues are flat, and therefore profit is squeezed, and partners are not happy about that. Leaders, therefore, need to be doing something about that.
When we look at value, with generative AI and AI, law firms can not only think about what it means to add value to clients, they're going to have to look as well at themselves internally.
Cost reduction is not the same as value production. So some things might be expensive, but the value they provide is extremely high. And so therefore you can charge a high cost or a high premium for them.
If that is how firms are using AI, then it should follow that the more senior people can devote their time and effort to giving senior level advice to the clients. Obviously, that's adding value to the client.
If you just take expensive AI and add it to an old organization, all you get is an expensive old organization.